You. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, subscribe to be notified as soon as I upload a new solved past paper video with simplified explanations. Don't forget to like and comment. I'll be glad to answer any doubts. Today we'll be discussing Cambridge IGCSE 0610 Paper 4, Variant 2, from October-November 2022 session. I will be explaining the answers in order to clarify the question and not just answer from the mark scheme. Let's get started. Phytoplankton consist of many species of single-celled and many-celled algae. Algae are classified in the Protoctus kingdom. All algae contain one or more chloroplasts. State the name of another kingdom that contains organisms which have chloroplasts. Well, that's plants. A student investigated the species composition of the phytoplankton in a lake. Figure 1.1 shows some of the phytoplankton collected by the student. The actual length of alga X is 0.19 millimeters. Convert the actual length of alga X to micrometers. To convert millimeters mm to micrometers μm, you can use the conversion factor. 1 millimeter equals 1,000 micrometers. Given that the actual length of alga X is 0.19 millimeters, you can convert it to micrometers using the conversion factor. 0.19 multiplied by 1,000 equals 190 micrometers. Therefore, the actual length of alga X in micrometers is 190 micrometers. The student made careful drawings of 7 types of alga found in the samples of lake water. The drawings are shown in Figure 1.2. Use the key to identify each of the species A to G. Write the letter of each species in the correct box beside the key. Let's start with A. Alga has 4 spine-like extensions. We can see from the figure that it doesn't, therefore, the next one is alga does not have 4 spine-like extensions. That's true, so go to 3. Right, so alga has a round shape. Nope. It doesn't, therefore alga does not have a round shape. Go to 4. Alga narrows towards the ends. Alga does not narrow towards the ends. It doesn't, so go to 6. Alga is branched. Yup. In that case, A is Chaetophora incrustata. Now on to B. B does not have 4 spine-like extensions, so we go to 3. Alga has a round shape, yes, so it's B. Therefore B is Microsterias radiosa. Next C. Alga has 4 spine-like extensions. We can see from the figure that it doesn't, okay. The next one is alga does not have 4 spine-like extensions. That's true, so go to 3. Right, so alga has a round shape. It doesn't. Right, next, go to 4. Alga narrows towards the ends. Yes, we can see that's true. In that case, we go to 5. Algal cell is semicircular in shape. No, algal cell is not semicircular in shape. Hence, C is Navicula radiosa. Okay, drawing D, alga has 4 spine-like extensions. We can see from the figure that it doesn't, okay. The next one is alga does not have 4 spine-like extensions. That's true, so go to 3. Right, so alga has a round shape. It doesn't. Right, next, go to 4. Alga narrows towards the ends. Yes, we can see that's true. In that case, we go to 5. Algal cell is semicircular in shape. Yes, therefore, D is Clostridium diane. Drawing E. Alga has 4 spine-like extensions. We can see from the figure that it doesn't, okay. The next one is alga does not have 4 spine-like extensions. That's true, so go to 3. Right, so alga has a round shape. It doesn't. Right, next, go to 4. Alga narrows towards the ends. It doesn't, so we go to 6. Alga is branched. It isn't. Therefore, E is Zygnema sp. Right, next up, F. Alga has 4 spine-like extensions. Yes, that's correct. Go to 2. Alga has spine-like extensions that are all the same length. No, they're not the same length. The alga has spine-like extensions that are different lengths. So F is Serratium hirundinella. Okay, last one is G. Alga has 4 spine-like extensions. Yes, so go to 2. Alga has spine-like extensions that are all the same length. This is why G is Cenodesmus communis. Phytoplankton are photosynthetic organisms. Describe the importance of phytoplankton in the food web of lake ecosystems. Phytoplankton are primary producers, functioning as the foundational level in the food web of lake ecosystems. As autotrophs, they have the ability to synthesize organic compounds from inorganic sources, using sunlight through the process of photosynthesis. Through photosynthesis, phytoplankton convert light energy into chemical energy in the form of glucose. Phytoplankton serve as a primary food source for primary consumers or herbivores in the second trophic level. They are consumed by these organisms, transferring the stored energy from phytoplankton up the food chain. The energy derived from phytoplankton consumption cascades up the food web, supporting higher trophic levels such as secondary consumers and even top predators. Phytoplankton play a vital role in the cycling of nutrients. They absorb carbon dioxide from the water during photosynthesis, contributing to the regulation of carbon levels in the ecosystem. Additionally, when phytoplankton die and decompose, they release nutrients back into the water, further supporting the growth of other organisms. Alright, so here we reach the conclusion of this video. I will be posting the next part shortly. You can visit the entire playlist, and if you have trouble with selective questions, you can watch accordingly. I try to provide detailed but easy to understand explanations so that everyone can follow along and understand the concepts. Thank you for watching. Please like if you found the video helpful and subscribe for more.